Energy, creativity, and camaraderie. This year's Demon Slayer theme reminds us of courage, resilience, and unbreakable spirit that each one of us carries. Just as the Slayers rise above the challenge, may tonight be a moment for our dear students to showcase their talents, passion, and unique stories through art. Let every stroke, every symbol, and every color represent not just your respective colleges, but your heart ready to fight with honor, unity, and respect. May tonight reminds us that the true emblem of this celebration is not just the artwork we create, but the character we embody. Through our respect, our unity, and our shared commitment to excellence, we become the symbols of courage and hope for others. Let the passion you show tonight ignite your drive to dream bigger, strive harder, and inspire those around you. Carry this spirit forward because each one of you has the power to shine far beyond this competition. To our esteemed judges, thank you for your time and expertise. Our participants and technical working group, thank you for the extra mile you extended. Mula sa inyong USG family, dalangin po namin ang isang gabi puno ng kasiyahan, inspirasyon at malikhaing pagtatanghal, dala ang diwa ng pagtutulungan at pagkakaisa. Let us keep spreading hashtag Blessed Sangka, hashtag Joyful Sangka, and hashtag being an emblem of positivity wherever we go. Muli, magandang gabi sa lahat and welcome to our emblem competition.